Hello everyone, you guessed it right. In this video, I'm going to show the auto resume feature in my Voltas Beko Tabletop Dishwasher DT8S. I've already done this in my Bosch dishwasher and I've uploaded a video. You can see it by clicking the link above. So before getting started, I would request you to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so yet, and also click on the bell icon for getting future updates. I've been doing research to try and understand how this Voltas Beko dishwasher reacts during a power outage. After trying this out for 4-5 months in various programs at various stages, I have tried to understand the behavior of this dishwasher during a power outage, and I'm sharing these results in this video, giving example of two programs with the 2-3 interruptions, and you can get more details by reading the description. Echo 3 hours 5 minutes and I start. Clean and shine, 1 hour 30 minutes. Quick. Intensive, 2 hours 40 minutes. I start. So from the video clips, you would have seen that after the power resumes, the machine does not resume from the same point where it stopped. At the same time, it does not go to the very beginning of the program. It actually goes to the start of that segment of the program in which the machine was operating at the time of power cut. So let me explain this. For example, Eco program has 4 segments: pre-wash, wash, rinse and dry segments. If there is a power cut during the wash segment, and if the wash segment is say for 1 hour, during that 1 hour, anywhere the power cut happens, after the power resumes, it goes to the beginning of the wash segment. The same is the case when the power cut happens in the rinse segment or the dry segment. I'm sure you'll find this video beneficial. Thank you for watching. Please do comment in the comment section. I would like to always hear from you. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.